You're with a fast-growing building automation company, where delivering timely and accurate projects is important for you and your customers. But maintaining standards and accuracy while reducing risk is challenging. Your team is trying to estimate efficiently and engineer projects consistently, but find you duplicate efforts of data entry and have to worry about who has the latest version of the Excel spreadsheet with the updated pricing. There is a better way. Meet Unity Data Flow Solutions, the workflow tool that helps companies like yours improve the quality of estimating, proposing, engineering, submitting, and executing controls projects with accuracy and efficiency, eliminating repetitive data entry while fostering a culture of standardization. Unity estimating is super easy to use. Start by choosing a template, make adjustments, and repeat until the project is built. Then easily export the data to Unity Console for fine-tuning, using the extensive parts database and detailed project dashboard. Clearly visualize the breakdown of parts and labor costs and adjust numbers quickly while maintaining an overview from your estimate dashboard. A major workflow efficiency is recognized when you are awarded the project. You can easily import the estimate into Unity Design Tool, where final product selection can occur and any notes from the estimator can be incorporated into the project package. Utilizing point configuration dialogues allows you to quickly engineer controller details. Implementing a consistent workflow platform allows you to develop and train your resources with organized data. This key data is collected as the project flows from estimating to booking to turnover to engineering and then to execution. Project details are more visible to your resources in each department, which helps your team achieve professional outcomes. This repeatable process path shortens the timeline to your deliverables. Unity connects data between different business software, reducing the need to duplicate entries. Your opportunity information can flow from your CRM into Unity Estimating Bid Day tool to a proposal and then into a sales funnel. Once a project is awarded, the data moves into your ERP job costing software to Unity Engineering and into production. Unity Suite is making project delivery easy for companies of all sizes. Do more with less. Do it with Unity Data Flow Solutions.